You want to get very high score in your Jamb or good grades in your Waec, hit the subscribe button on this YouTube channel, Tclassified.com. Secondly, order for the flash that contains all our lectures and our past questions that you have to go through in order for you to smash your Jamb. Very, very importantly, you can get to our website www.jambwaecnecouni.com, where you can always see our lectures and see our updates. This flash that contains our lectures, once you contact me on my number 070-671-62698. Once you contact me, go to the WhatsApp, chat me up, tell me hi, I'll tell you how much it is, then you'll get it. The flash contains the lectures, contains the timetable in a very descriptive class according to your curriculum that will help you to pass your Jamb. Also, when you buy this flash, then you're entitled to be able to contact us on technical support. We can always reach you out on Zoom or on WhatsApp, so that if you have any questions to ask based on the lectures you're taking, you can always follow up. We also have Facebook Live and YouTube Live lectures that will be coming up very soon, starting from next week. So better hook up with us so that you can be able to enjoy all this. Very, very importantly, you can get to our website www.jambwaecnecouni.com. It's an educational blog where you can have things that will help you to pass your Jamb effectively. Click on the subscribe button on this our YouTube channel. Very, very importantly, hook us up, chat me up on WhatsApp. Once you chat me up on WhatsApp, I'll give you the connection to our Facebook Live and YouTube Live lectures that you need for you to score high in your Jamb.